When I first started making bags, I was bamboozled by all the interfacings and stabilizers that were required in the patterns, and I thought, wow, do I really need all these? Maybe I'll just skip a few. I'm sure the bag will turn out nice anyway, right? Wrong. In this video, I will let you in on a little secret that really shouldn't be a secret at all. G'day, it's Christine Welsh here from ChrisW Designs, and I'm here to help sewists just like you to make bags and wallets that look so professional nobody will believe you made them yourself. I see it happening all the time. Sewists choosing the most gorgeous, expensive fabrics imaginable, beautiful shiny hardware, and stitching so neat it makes me green with envy. But their finished bag is so sad and limp, and the maker is in tears because the bag looks nothing like the photo on the pattern. So what happened? Sadly, many times an enthusiastic beginner will find their hair standing on end when they see the list of all the interfacings and stabilizers they need to make their chosen bag. So in their wisdom, or not, they decide, heck, I'll just leave that out, or I'll use something half the price. Nobody'll notice. Guess what? Here's the secret. Interfacings and stabilizers are the very backbones of your bags, and choosing the wrong ones will set you up for a massive fail. Guaranteed. It's the fastest way to achieving a crappy bag I've ever seen. Sorry ladies, there's no nice way to say it. Thinking you will save a few bucks on interfacing is, well, just like throwing your gorgeous fabric out the window. If you've been making bags since the cows come home, you will know what works and what doesn't to achieve the look and feel that you're after. But if you're a new bag maker, do yourself a favour and stick with the products recommended in your pattern. If you don't be surprised when your bag looks nothing like the gorgeous bag in the cover photo. I, like most designers, test many different combinations of fabrics and interfacings every week and for every pattern. So please, trust us and make your first bag as per the pattern, and then go on to experiment with different interfacings and stabilizers to hone in on your perfect bag later on. Let me know in the comments below whether you have been naughty and used the wrong interfacing, only to find out that that was a big mistake. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for bag making mistake number 6 coming soon. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. And if you're new here, please be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring the bell to be notified of any new bag making hints and tips coming up. Catch you later.